Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's look is going to be inspired by an artist that I found on Instagram, and her name is Chloe. She is doing this competition, and I really wanted to try and recreate this look, so I'm not sure what the prize is, but it's definitely an interesting look. There are lots of colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and just recreate this and then post it on Instagram, and you can follow both me and her, and I'll link our handles below. And so this is what I'm supposed to be doing today. So hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So now that my eyebrows are on, I actually really like the shape today because they're cute. They're not too like blocky or rounded or anything, and they look almost 100% even for once. Okay, so first I'll go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I have it on the back of my hand, so I'm gonna just take a little bit of that and dot it on my eyeball. And then take a brush and kind of buff it out, if it will allow me to. There we go. And actually I'm gonna extend it out a little bit, just so we can get all the makeup that we need in here. So I'm definitely going to be using the Norvina Volumes 1 and 2, as well as one of the stacks, like the pink one. So what we're gonna do first is go in with the shade D5, which is black from the Norvina Volume 1. And like in the picture, we're just gonna go around the edges and up to right about here. So let's pack that on and blend it out at the same time. Okay, so the shapes are a little bit different, but it's okay because we can clean that up. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade B4 and go over this half, so like cut it kind of down the middle. So this half is gonna be purple and this half will be like a teal color. So we're just going to go right over the black, that shade B4, and it's a dark purple. And we're using the same brush just so we can get a very nice blend. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade B1 and blend out that darker purple. Now I'm going to take some of the eye primer and put it on my lower lash line. Now that I have it on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to the upper lash line, or like the upper part right here, and let's do some blue. So I'm gonna take this shade C4 and go in right here. Just pack it on and blend it out at the same time. And then I'm gonna hop into the Mini Volume 3, and then the shade C2. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a Q-tip and some micellar water from Garnier and just clean up the edges, or just clean up the cut crease area. Now what I'm gonna do is take this eyeliner brush, and I know I look a little bit crazy right now, but you gotta just like trust the process. So I'm gonna take this eyeliner brush and we're gonna dig into this neon pink, and I'm going to line that top of the cut crease. Okay, so what I do is I like to let it dry for a little bit and then go back in with another layer. And then to make the line thinner, I do make a thick line at first, and then I go in and cover it up with eyeshadow primer. And just make sure that you get like a precise line. Okay, now it's time for the second layer. And then we go back in with our eye primer and clean it up. Okay, now that I've gotten the line thickness to where I want it, looks like we're gonna go back in that corner over here on both sides and add black and purple again. Let's just add some black real quick. And add some purple. And we need to add like a light green, it looks like. Okay, so I'll take the shade E1 from the Norvina Volume 2, and we'll put that right here. This looks pretty cool so far. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I did not like it at first. I don't know why I didn't like it at first, but I just did not. Okay, and so now I'm gonna take the shade A2 and pack that on and blend it in with the E1 shade. I never would have thought to put these colors together. I don't know what it is, but my brain does not work like everybody else's. It's really cute together. Okay, and I'm also gonna bring this same A2 shade down just so I can prepare for like another shade that I'm about to hop into. And it looks kind of like this, but it's in a ColourPop palette. So now we're gonna do like the lower lash line, and I wanna take this NYX Professional Makeup Slide On Glide On eyeliner, and it is in jet black. And we're just gonna do the lower lash line like normal. And kind of connect it into the black of the upper portion of your eye. Now we're going to connect the black and the purple on the top to the black and the purple on the bottom. And let's start with the black. Now I'm going to go in to the Misunderstood palette and get a mixture of Diablo and then Pain and Panic and just pat that in the inner corner. Okay, so I know it does look a little bit crazy right now with the under eye just being how it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, with my base and everything, and my lashes, and then I'll be right back. I was definitely about to go ahead and do my base before I did the rest of the look. So we're gonna go ahead and dip back in to the pink in the stack. And we're gonna go right over the eyeshadow and just make a really quick line as best as I can. So right about there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, and then we're gonna take the NYX Matte black eyeliner and clean up underneath that pink line. Let me see if I can do this on camera because I'm low-key bad at eyeliner. No, that's a no. So I'm not gonna do the eyeliner on camera, but I'll come back in just a second to show you what I did. Okay, it's kind of noisy outside because the trash truck, but I like it. So I added the liner, the black liner, and then some more pink eyeliner, and it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I guess I underestimated myself. Because the lines, I thought the lines were gonna mess me up real bad, but no, they turned out pretty good. Pretty dang good, if I may say so myself. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish, or do my base, and then come back and do the lipstick, I guess. I already know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a nude lip, duh. There's too much going on with the eyes. I really want to do a bold lip, but at the same time, it's just like, I don't think I should. So yeah, I'm gonna do the base, or I'm gonna do my foundation and other stuff that goes on my base, and I will be right back. Ready? And that would be it for our finished look. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, maybe it's not as complex as I thought it would be, but it did come out okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.